to Maddie from Santa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Mom, Maddie from Santa.
Yeah, probably.
Think so?
Let's see.
Open it up.
Okay.
Can I open it up?
Uh-huh.
It is Lulu.
Oh my
Lulu,
goodness.
I love you, Lulu. Oh, thanks, Santa. Thank you for the beautiful beauty. I always wanted. Maddie, that's like an ornament.
It's okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hey, Lulu, I'm gonna hope you, Maddie. Thanks, Nick, because I have a lot of wrapping paper to do. He says hi, Nick. He says hi, Nick. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Wow, this is always what I wanted. I love you, Lulu. Hey, Dad, open it up. Love you, Lulu. Dad, open
Alright,
it up.
open yours, Nikki.
Well, look at it a second. Let's see what's in yours, Nick.
Nikki, what's in yours? From Santa. Ooh.
What's it say?
I
It's
love
a-
Santa.
It
Mommy,
says,
open it up. Mama, open the package up. Santa, you give me a present this year. That I went to sleep. That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Now I had to open it up like this.
Woohoo!
Thank you. It is a dragon house.
It's a dragon house.
Mama, that's the dragon house I just wanted. Mommy, Mommy, I so cool. Dragon house. I love you. This time, I love him. Princess had a dragon house too. Hey. Thank you. Beautiful. Hey, Maddie! Look at it!
Whoa, Nick.
That's too cool, Nick.
Wow, Dragon House that I always want to play with you. Yeah, it's so cool you just want to play with me. They say. It's so cool.
He's so
You'll
handsome.
be a dragon. You'll be a dragon.
Nick, take a look at me.
See? Oh, hi, Luke. It's Matt. Lulu. Lulu, you carried that dragon house? I think he carried that dragon house.
Is she good?
Yeah, I think so. I think he not like it.
He said she was scared of the dragon.
Lulu was?
Yeah. Lulu.
Lulu?
Not Lulick, that's Lulu.
Gotcha.
Not me, just Lulu.